Hi, I'm Mateus, and today I'll show you the new visual interface for cause analysis in the workflow module. This is one of the major new features in version 3.0 of the SoftExpert Suite. With this update, analysis tools like Ishikawa, 5Whys, and Fault Tree are created much faster within the workflow. The layout is even more modern and intuitive, reducing manual work and offering more focus on analysis quality. Now, let's see this in practice. When starting the workflow for the desired process, you'll find the cause analysis option in the left sidebar. Accessing this option, just click on Create Tool to choose the methodology that will be used in your analysis. Here, you can already see a brief description of the tool and a practical application example, which helps a lot when choosing. In this first example, let's include an Ishikawa diagram. To do this, just select Use Template. Within the tool, you can choose the diagram category according to your analysis needs. Let's go with a traditional 6M. With a few clicks, you can define the causes for each category and indicate if they are root or potential causes. It's also possible to estimate, in percentage, the impact of these causes on the problem, define the department, and add a description. You have total control over customizing the diagram's causes, being able to adjust shape, colors, and text as you prefer. At the bottom of the screen are the zoom controls, diagram centering, and the movement lock. Everything to make your viewing easier. Our next tool is the 5Whys, which is now even simpler and more intuitive to use. When opening the tool, you'll find a predefined structure, allowing you to focus only on defining the causes. For each why, you can link a wide variety of different potential causes, which provides you with the necessary flexibility to structure the analysis in a way that is both quick and highly intuitive, until you finally reach the root cause. Our third analysis tool is the Fault Tree, a powerful methodology with a top-down structure that can be easily built in our interface. When starting, we define the typologic gate and the associated causes. For each cause, it's also possible to define the event, such as basic, intermediate, external, or unknown. Just like in the other tools, each cause can be described and customized according to your needs. After the analysis tool is created, you can easily return to the workflow. The built-in automatic saving feature ensures that none of your hard work or progress will ever be lost. Within the workflow, you can see a comprehensive overview of the specific tools used along with their unique IDs, ensuring total traceability for easy reference in the future and for any necessary update info. Right below, all the mapped causes are presented, providing full visibility into the impact of the problem, the responsible department, a description, and which tool was used for each mapping. If you'd like to use an analysis tool that's already been registered, simply click Associate and search by name, ID, or filter by the type of tool. Today, you've seen the new visual experience for the analysis tools in SoftExpert Suite, an interface that is even more modern, clear, and easy to use. The next step is to bring this practicality to your company's daily routine, streamlining decision-making, identifying causes with greater clarity, and boosting the performance of your processes. And to keep following the latest news on SoftExpert Suite 3.0, subscribe to our channel and receive tips and new tutorials for the tool.